Hello everyone, welcome back to My Diamond Addiction. This is Valerie. And next Amazon unboxing. So this was ordered on June 15th. It shipped June 16th and it was delivered to me June 17th. And I'm unboxing it in September. That's how far behind I am. Okay, let's open this one up. This one, the seller was the Dream Rosie. This popped up on my Amazon as a lightning deal. So with tax and everything, I paid $8.13. I'm not sure what it sells for today. Looks like, let me click the link here. Looks like right now it's $10.97. It's got a $2 off, and there's a save an extra 15% coupon on it today, which is Monday, Labor Day. Let's open it. Crinkle. Oh, that wasn't bad. Okay, so this is a 30 by 40. It is a full round. And it is, this is stiff. This is the stiff canvas. It's not cheap or flimsy. It's just really stiff. And it looks like it is a poured glue, which is a bonus. You can see where it's been folded up in the package. I'll put it in the portfolio, lay it flat for a while. When I go to do it, if it still has some wrinkles in it or folds in it, I'll just turn it out, replace the plastic with parchment paper and turn it over. And with it being this kind of a canvas, I will probably put a really thin towel, like a baking towel, really thin towel, over the back of it and give it a quick iron. Done. All right, so I will, there it is. Isn't that pretty? I love daisies, and I'm really liking the dandelion pictures right now. Where it's, after the dandelion goes to seed and it's all a poof ball. They come in all different colors, right? I don't know. I want to do a whole series of them and just put them on my wall because they're very cool. But I don't like them in my yard, but on a diamond painting, pretty, pretty. All right, this has 21 colors. There are DMC codes down the side, right here. Let's see if I can get you in here for a view of the symbols. Oh yeah, it's actually looking like it's focusing pretty well this time. The symbols look really good to me. I see the white writing on the dark backgrounds and the dark writing on the light backgrounds, and they all look really clear. Yep, I don't think they will give me any problem at all, which is a good thing. We like that. Okay, I do not need to open that. I was going to open that to show you what was in there. We know what's in most of these. Wax. There are baggies in this one. Pink pen. Green tray. No cutout. That's what's in there. The DMC codes are... Okay, here comes the crinkle. Oh, okay. So here is the one of them, and you can, I think you can see, maybe you can see, there you go. The T5200, that is the DMC code, and then the other number is S035. I don't know what the T stands for, but the S035 is the number of on the canvas. So if these got lost somehow, I would be able to tell which canvas that they go to. Yeah. All right. So there's one color. Let's look at the other, probably 20, I think. Yep, the other 20. Oh, that's awful. Okay. We're just going to move that because it's folded. And like I said, it's not their fault. I don't hold it against them that it's folded. It came, you know, rolled up in this. So, all right. Number 1, 2. Yep, there's my 310. 3, 4. That's 500. It's like a really dark green, like this, only darker. 5, 6. Let's straight that out. There we go. 7, 8. So this one's $6.99 and that one's $700. So they're not too different. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 37, 56, and 20. So all of the drills are here. They're all included in it. It came with everything it needed to come with. So if I wanted to, I could start opening these up and getting to work on it right away. So if I was giving them points, they would definitely get the point for everything being included. The shipping was fine. The glue is fine. It is a poured glue. So if you see wrinkles and stuff on here, that's just the clear cover. It's not affecting the glue at all. See? Perfect glue. What? Just a second. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. My son showed up and wanted to talk to me for a little bit before he left. Didn't even know he was here until he knocked on the door. Okay, so now I'm really confused as to what all we've done. I know we've looked at these. The quality of the drills look fine. I don't see any issues with those. The symbols are really clear. I will put the link to this down below in the description. I will also add it to my Amazon store. And when I get it done, I'll come back and show it to you done. Overall, I think it's going to be really cute. I think it's going to turn out very, very nice. All right, if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section down below, and I will do what I can to respond to those if necessary. I do apologize for the delay. A lot of times people will post things and either YouTube doesn't tell me that they've added something until I go into my YouTube studio, and then that tells me. Sometimes I'm just really busy and I'm doing my best, and I know I do read comments as they come up on my phone. So the ones that I am alerted to, I do read them. And I do appreciate your comments and your concern and your feedback. Sometimes it just takes me some time to get around to it, but I will try to do better. Yeah, I really do appreciate you all sticking with me through all my craziness. All right, I think that's it. So I thank you all for watching and subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.